Hello, I am Mark Lacson from the Department of Legal Management, 3rd year, running for the position of Student Council President under the banner of San Vitis Party.
So here is our question for you. Hypothetically, how do you plan to deal with administrators who are not going to support the council's projects in the future? Hypothetically, how do you plan to deal with administrators who are not going to support the council project in the future?
Bilang Student Council President, hindi po namin inaasahan na lahat po ng projects namin ay susuportahan po ng administration. Pero trabaho po namin na i-lobby kung ano man po ang mga kailangan po for the betterment of the students' welfare. Ilalobby po namin sa administration and mag-meet po kami halfway kung ano po ang gustong mangyari ng admin and kung ano po ang gustong mangyari ng students. From there, magko-compromise po kami kung magko-compromise po kami at i-weigh po namin kung ano talaga ang dapat mangyari for the betterment ng San Beda as a whole para rin na sa pagtaas natin sa accreditation level ng PASCO and sa pagkasabay natin sa ASEAN integration. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you.